Good morning, class family. It's a thankful Thursday. Let's look at our message together, showing that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. November 21st, 2024. Dear class family, today is Thursday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Next, we will do literacy centers. Then, we will review and retell the poem, Let's Be Friends. After that, we will learn about the letter I. Last, we will use the Unit 3 magazine. Love Miss Joyner. All right, class family, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner of today's date. I noticed the month is spelled with a capital letter N, then O-V, period. What does that abbreviation stand for? We'll say the name of the month out loud. If you said November, you're right. Go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Notice the capital letter N to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, we're going to continue to reread from top to bottom and left to right. November 21st, 2024. Dear class family, today is Thursday. It is Thursday, and it's a thankful Thursday. Notice the capital letter that starts that sentence and the period at the end. Remember, good writers start sentences with capital letters and end with punctuation marks. Let's review some of the punctuation marks that we've been learning in kindergarten. Are you ready? Okay, say the names and skywrite with me. Period at the end of telling sentences, statements, and abbreviations. Exclamation point, also called an exclamation mark, and that's at the end of exciting sentences. Question mark, that's at the end of question sentences. And comma. You will see commas used within writing. This one is not at the end of sentences. All right, let's go ahead and look at the second sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. And we do that every single day, working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator every single day. We remember to use our mouth to speak and our ears to listen. That's what good communicators and collaborators do. And we're also being a strong listener. Remember, a strong listener uses their eyes for watching, ears for listening. Their mouth is silent when someone else is speaking, and body is still in one place. Are you being a strong listener in kindergarten? All right, class family, at this time, we're going to go through the sequence of what we're doing in language arts. Remember, the sequence is the order of events from beginning to end. Before we reread, let's go ahead and review these transitional words and phrases. Say them with me, readers. First, next, then, after that, last. First, we will learn letters and sounds, just like we do every day at school. We'll use many resources. We have our alphabet chart. Shout out to Benchmark Advanced. We're going to be using so many of your electronic resources as well as the big books today in kindergarten. We'll review letters, sounds, pictures match that word, American Sign Language. We're going to use some YouTube channels, Jack Hartman's, Mr. B's, The Singing Walrus, and The Learning Station, just to name a few. Next, we will do literacy centers. We will We will have Lexia Core 5 reading program on our iPads. We'll be meeting in groups. We have books with pattern sentences like our November book that we'll be looking at today. We'll be reading those pattern sentences. We'll be seeing that how every page has a sentence that starts with a capital letter, ends with a period, and there's finger spaces between the words so the words don't smush together. We'll get a chance to read that November book and to color the pictures, and we will continue to read it in that center. We also have some handwriting centers. We have a U-Fly group and some other things going on within the room. Remember all day long, kindergartners, good writers use the 5 pre-writing strokes, and you'll be doing that and using these while we make letters, draw pictures, and writing numbers. Let's skywrite and review them with me. Are you ready? Okay, up and around, touch, pull down, touch, push over, slant right, slant left. Okay, then we will review and retell the poem, Let's Be Friends. Oh, we will. And we're going to go ahead, look back at one of the big books, and we are going to reread it, and we're going to share our thinking and ask it and answer questions as we review and retell this poem. Let's be friends. You can smile at a friend. You can smile at a friend. You can wave to a friend. You can wave to a friend. You can sit with a friend. You can sit with a friend. We can be friends. We can be friends. Let's be friends today. We'll be reviewing and retelling this poem. And then after doing that, we're also going to be looking at this. Let's play by the rules. And we'll be using this nonfiction text and reading and using the photographs to help us as we read the passage and share our thinking as we are asking and answering questions. After that, we will learn about the letter I. We will. I like I, itch. We'll be doing phonemic awareness, tapping that beginning, middle, and ending sound and saying that whole word. And we'll also practice making the letter I, tracing the uppercase letter I's on the dotted lines, and then writing them as well here, and then lowercase i's too. We're also going to skywrite and do Jack Hartman's letter I song. We're going to go ahead, we're going to pull straight down, pick up, we're going to slide to the right and the top and the bottom, and then do lowercase I where we start on the dotted line, pull straight down, pick up, dot. All right. Last, we'll use the Unit 3 magazine. Love, Miss Joyner. We'll be using that for reading, writing, and drawing. We are so lucky and thankful to have so many resources to help us pump our brains with knowledge. It's going to be a fantastic day at school. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our question for today is a do you like question? And the question is, do you like stuffing? Well, do you? Think about your answer and get ready to share why. Do you like stuffing?